Mapify360 2 minutes walkthrough and demo video. Now in this video I'm going to show you in 3 simple steps how you can use Mapify360 to boost your profits, get more clients, start making money with local businesses. Okay? Now the first step would be to find a business that you want to work with. So all you have to do is just navigate to Business Finder, just enter your niche and enter your city, and just one click you will find all the leads you need to get you started. And boom, we have the results. Okay, so these are all local businesses found by Mapify360, and you can see their location, you can check their Google Map ratings, and also you get all the business details right off the gate. The next logical step would be to select all and add these leads to a particular campaign. Just select the campaign and add your leads. Step 2, navigate to your campaigns, and here you are going to get all the leads that you have inside your campaign right now. The second phase of Mapify360 would be to find the businesses that are unclaimed and unoptimized. The second phase is really simple. All you have to do for your leads is just check their Google My Business status. They can be claimed like this one, or they can be unclaimed like this, and then all you have to do is just update the status of that business to unclaimed. This means this business has not been claimed by the rightful owner, and you can be the first one to help these businesses claim their business. To generate a Google My Business SEO report, and you get this cool and really efficient Google My Business report that you can send to your customers. You can scroll down and see all the valuable information that you're gonna get in this report. We also list the top 5 competitors of any leads that you have in your campaigns, and you can even download the reports as PDF versions and you can send them over to your customers. So you see how easy it is with Mapify360 to find all the customers that really need your help, that are having their business unclaimed or unoptimized, therefore they're never going to rank in that Google Tripap map section that all the local businesses need in 2019. If you want to be ahead of the curve in 2019, I really hope I'm going to see you inside the members area of Mapify360 and help you out to close more clients in less time with our platform. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you inside the members area really soon.